In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a parameter and drop-down to switch measures in Tableau. This powerful feature is incredibly useful for dynamically changing the focus of your data visualization with just a few clicks, offering you and your viewers a more interactive and insightful experience. So, let's get started. First, you need to launch the Tableau application. Once it's open, navigate to your worksheet, which is the workspace where you'll be doing all the magic today. Once you're in your worksheet, locate the data pane, typically found on the left side of the screen. At the top of the data pane, you'll see a small drop-down arrow in the upper right corner. Go ahead and click on that. From the menu that appears, you'll want to select Create Parameter. This is where we start configuring the dynamic element that will allow us to switch measures. A dialog box will pop up, prompting you to define your new parameter. Let's name this parameter ViewBy, which helps to specify exactly what this parameter is designed to control. Now, when it comes to setting the data type, choose String, as we're going to be working with text values to represent different measures. Next, set the allowable values option to List. This selection defines that we're going to provide specific values, and rather than users typing their own, they will choose from a list that we define. After that, you'll need to add the following values to your list: sales, profit, and quantity. These are the different measures viewers will be able to toggle between using our parameter. Once you've added these values, click OK to save and finalize your new parameter. The next step involves positioning your data elements. Move your subcategory dimension to the column shelf. This action sets up your visual layout, allowing us to begin building the view corresponding to the data selections. Now, let's add the calculated logic behind our parameter. Go up to the menu bar, click Analysis, and then choose Create Calculated Field. Title this field ViewBy to keep everything consistent. In the formula editor, you will need to input a query based on the parameter values you provided earlier, essentially telling Tableau what to display when each measure is chosen. After typing your query, remember to click OK to create the field. Lastly, drag your newly created calculated field to the rows shelf. This step completes the core setup for dynamic switching. To activate the parameter toggle, click on the ViewBy parameter in the data pane and select Show Parameter. This action creates a drop-down menu right on your worksheet where you can now seamlessly switch between your selected measures and immediately see how the visualization updates in response. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a parameter and drop-down to let users switch between sales, profit, and quantity directly from their interactive dashboard. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and insightful.